Sawadee everyone! Happy New Year and welcome to my new kitchen. Woo! Today I will show you guys how to cook egg fried rice better than Uncle Roger. Well, I hope at least. I will start with garlic. 4 to 5 garlic cloves is enough for one portion. Let me tell you, Asian people do like to cook fried rice with a lot of garlic because it really brings a nice flavor and fragrance to the dish. For the garlic, you can use as much as you like, and now I will finely chop it. Slice the garlic, not much to the end, then just chop it. To make sure that I have a good finely chopped garlic, I like to do this way, And make sure you use a good knife, not a paring knife, okay? Then Uncle Roger will kill you. Until you got nice chopped garlic like this. And voila! It's done. And after garlic is gonna be shallot. Many people say that shallot has a nicer sweet flavor than onion. Even Uncle Roger uses it. So I will do it the same. I trust him. To finely chop the shallot, just slice it, but not until the edge. Same as the garlic, I will finely chop it. Set it aside, same as the garlic. Next is green onion. Cut the root, then cut the part that is not very pretty. Thinly slice it. Green onion has to be the last ingredient to cook. I totally agree with Uncle Roger on this. It can't be the first thing you cook, except if your name starts with Jamie and ends with Oliver. Last but not least, red chili for spicy flavor in your fried rice. Now all the veggies are done, so let's prepare the eggs. Pretty easy, just break it in a bowl. I use for about 3 eggs. You can use less or more. Up to you. Now use chopsticks to whisk it. Alright, the egg is done. For the rice, I cooked it with chicken stock, minced garlic, and minced ginger. If you want to know how to cook it, go check right here. I also add a little bit of sesame oil for more smell and flavor too. Leftover rice is perfect to cook fried rice because it's all separated. Alright guys, now we got everything, so it's time to cook. Well, we will start with high heat. I will use sunflower oil for this recipe because I don't have peanut oil. But it doesn't mean I'm weak, okay? Add a little bit, or maybe more than a little bit. Once the oil is hot, add chopped garlic. Follow with chopped shallot. I think I should add a little bit more. Okay. I put more oil because I want my garlic and shallot have a nice yellow golden color. It looks good now, so I will add the eggs. Let it cook for a few minutes. Once you got the egg like this, it's time to add rice, soy sauce, and the trick is you have to add soy sauce on the wok like this. Then, important stuff, MSG. Now, use a spatula to flatten and stir to mix the rice well with the sauce around the wok. I will toss the rice, but for this part, I'm not sure I will be better than him or not because he's quite good, Let's try. Uncle Roger is better than me. But what me and Uncle Roger same is we are mess. Yeah, you can see on the table, everything is mess. Now it's time to add green onion and chili. Just mix for this part. I will tell you guys why this fried rice is better than Uncle Roger. I add white peppercorn powder and Uncle Roger, he forget he didn't. Just a pinch of it, like this. Toast once again. And voila! I will try to make sure it's delicious, not just look beautiful. I have to say this word, fuyo, because wow, you can taste the texture of the rice and the ginger, the garlic, the chili, the egg, the MSG. I love it. It's already delicious, but for you, Uncle Roger, I will add a little bit more of MSG for you. Guys, you have to go to Uncle Roger's channel and tell him that his niece Nin from Nin is Cooking cook egg fried rice better than him. Go, 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 go. Leave him a comment. Oh, you still here? Well, if you are here, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, share this video to everyone, and shove that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye.